Hey everyone, I'm really excited about this because I just got my hands on the iPhone 14 Pro in the deep purple and I'm going to unbox it with you today. If you watched my unboxing last year, you would have seen that I upgraded to a 13 Pro last year, but this year I'm actually upgrading my work phone from the iPhone SE to the iPhone 14 Pro. So I joined a new company this year and I needed to get a new work phone, and I've been waiting on this one. I have my personal phone, which is the iPhone 13 Pro. That's what I'm filming with, and I am going to get this iPhone 14 Pro for work. I do get a credit from work, so it's not that bad. So if you see, I have the deep purple. Look at that color, it's so gorgeous. And I turn it off. Let's see what's in the box. I do not know. iPhone stopped giving the base for the chargers, so they just give the ports, and then this is just stickers and manual stuff for the phone. The new iPhones come with an eSIM. If you notice, there's no tray for your SIM card, so I will have to set it up since I bought my iPhone unlocked. Okay, this is it coming on. I will be setting it up momentarily. I did go ahead and buy a screen protector as well as a phone case, just so that I can protect my phone from falls and damage. I got the same brand of screen protectors that I got last year. It did a pretty good job. I have no scratches, no broken screens, so that was pretty good, and my phone did fall a few times. The reason why I'm excited about this phone is because of the cameras. The cameras have English, United States. Okay, 1 second, I'll be right back. I'm good. Hey Siri, how's the weather today? I'm really excited about the new 48 megapixel camera that comes with the iPhone 14 Pro, as well as the stabilization feature that would allow me to walk and take videos without it being as shaky. Island is a new feature to the iPhone 14. It's that pill-like shape that shares the space with your selfie camera, where you can see what apps you are viewing at the moment. Thanks for watching, guys. See you next time. Bye.